Hello, this is Alexander Cross with Law Offices of Cross. If you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was arrested for selling marijuana. Let's see. My son was arrested for having a marijuana planting system in the garage of our house and for selling. Well, first of all, here in the state of California, as long as you're over the age of, kid was under the age of 21, but if you're over the age of 21, you could have up to 6 plants of marijuana for personal use. You can't be selling it, but you can possess it for personal use. If you do have more than 6 marijuana plants, or if you're if you're under the age of 21, you could be charged essentially with an infraction. It's not accused of selling marijuana. Well, then that is a misdemeanor under, I believe it's Health and Safety Code 11378, which carries up to 180 days of county jail. Years ago, this was a far more serious offense, that carried up to 3 years state prison. But nowadays, it's not really that big of a deal. And generally speaking, in these situations, most often or more often than not, the case can be discussed with the DA and you can come to a resolution where you wouldn't actually have to go to jail. And quite frankly, you might be eligible for diversion. If you're eligible for diversion, you would have to take some classes and you would have to do some tests once a month roughly to make sure that you're not taking the controlled substance or any other controlled substance. And once you come back to court and the judge deems that you have fulfilled the terms of the program, you might actually get your charges dismissed. That way, this does not affect your future. Like I said before, marijuana years ago used to be a far more serious offense. Nowadays, it's a slap on the wrist. Generally speaking, the worst you're going to get is an infraction. It's very rare that you even get charged with a misdemeanor, except in a situation where you could be accused for selling. Regardless of criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the matter of a case where somebody was chased by the police and was arrested. See you on our next video.